Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, February 14th, St. Valentine's Day, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the Dow got a Valentine's present today. Just look at this chart. I said yesterday, it looks like the stairway to heaven. We had the fourth straight day in a row that the Dow was up, and up pretty strongly all these days. Today it gained 92 points, and it is closing for the first time just above the 20,500 mark. So it's a little more than one half of the way on to 21,000. Just pretty amazing. So, these people that are predicting 30,000 and even 50,000, well, they don't sound quite as crazy today as you might think. Anyway, it looks real good. We had a good day today. We had about $10,000 in open trade yesterday. I was a little bit nervous about that, and we ended up closing over $12,000 and closing that stuff out. So that's really good, and we really didn't get a strong opening this morning, but we still got out of this with over $12,000 in profits. Had some real good trades. I'll show you a couple of them. We did get into a few positions today, and we had one problem trade. That was what caused it. I'll show you that in a second. But anyway, we are carrying negative 2,600 going into tomorrow. I'm not too worried about it, but hey, you never know. We'll just have to wait and see. But we've had some pretty good days here for our trading, and like I say, we did take out over $12,000 positive today. I'll show you some of the actual trades. I'll show you the one that really was the fly in the ointment today for us. Why we are carrying negative open trade. This is JDST, inverse gold, and this is a spiky, difficult, erratic stock, and today it just did everything wrong. It opens lower, and it's too bad it could have stayed lower, but then it does this power spike, for the first 2 hours, and we end up buying just absolutely top of this spike here. Gets us in, and then it backs off all day, and we're holding negative $4,000 in JDST, and that's the reason we have a negative open trade going into tomorrow. Without that, we wouldn't be so bad. By the way, this just reminds me. I'll mention this. I have been having some problems with the algorithm that I use with TradeStation 9.5. I've mentioned this. It's the same algorithm I use, or has been the same algorithm I've used with this TradeStation that I'm trading and showing you. And I think I fixed the problem, okay? So I have a fixed algorithm for TradeStation 9.5, and the reason this reminds me of it, it did not take this trade in JDST. It didn't get into this, so that was really good. If you are interested in that fixed algorithm, just email me, and I will email that to you. I'm going to get out a notice on that here sometime, but I don't know just when that will be. But if you want that right now, just email and say, hey, I want the fixed algorithm for TradeStation 9.5, and I'll shoot it to you. And if you were trading that today, you would not have gotten in to this lousy trade in JDST. We did have some good trades. This is Inverse Natural Gas, Degas. You know, we had bought this um, 2 trading days ago, and nice pop up yesterday, kept us in, and popped up right at the beginning, but then kind of pulled back low. So we got a good exit there, and we took $4,000 out of Degas, Inverse Natural Gas. And then the big one, I showed you this yesterday, but we're out of it today. This is the final tally for CC Chemours. And again, 2 trading days, we bought that ago. We bought that down here, not much on that entry day, but huge run up yesterday. And then, so we held on to it, and it didn't really add anything to it, but it did pop up there kind of nicely for us to get out. And we took $6,000 profit out of Chemours. So, really good day. I'm happy. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.